This is next level. Check this out, guys. What?
Welcome to Dollhouse Beautiful.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Kapito. I'm an interior designer in New York City. My inspiration for this particular project was just to make a dollhouse that you'd actually want to live in. We did a lot of mixing of traditional and modern pieces in Mini. We shopped a lot on Etsy and we found all of the dollhouse vendors across the country. The exterior paint colors that we chose were colors that we would choose in a normal home. We didn't go crazy with them. It's just a basic white and basic black shutters, something elegant and classic for a very chic dollhouse. So we're going to install the bathroom now. This is a very cool tub. So in the bedroom, we really did a tone-on-tone look. It's a grayish blue, which is one of my favorite colors for a bedroom. It's really calming and relaxing. And we really approach this like we do all of our projects, you know, like how can we make it as beautiful as possible? So this has a little tiny mini screw that you can actually screw to adjust the height. And there's actually a tiny little LED bulb in case you actually want to turn it on. They turn on. They have a little tiny switch over there and they turn on. We're going to install them now. These sconces right here, we actually hung upside down just because I thought that looked a little bit more modern. So right now we're installing the art, which is not actually the way I do it in real life. I do the art last, but for setting the scene, I'm going to do it first. We added coffee table books just like a real install. My favorite of the books is actually one of my favorite coffee table books in real life, and that's the Cy Twombly Drawings book. And we made them with foam core, and then we printed out our favorite covers and put them on top of the foam core. It's a little bit modern, a little bit traditional. The fireplace itself is traditional. I love that we added a fireplace. I feel like it really makes it feel like a sophisticated space. The foyer has this little red chair in it, and then we have some big eucalyptus leaves, which in reality are actually tiny leaves, but they look huge in this house. Well, it's so great to see all the rooms together. We really kept the palette consistent and we thought about it as a whole. So the theme of minimalist traditionalism runs through the whole space. We kept, most of the spaces white. Then we had the pop with the bedroom where we went tone on tone. I'm really happy with how it flows together. We loved working on this so much. We're so excited and so happy with the way it came out, and we really hope you enjoyed watching.